Gonna close it off, fill it in. Same thing with the other. Super easy, super simple. If you found that easy, press that like button. That is how I know what to add more of on this channel. And I have one question for you, if you do want to answer it. Do you guys have a cat at all? Because I actually do have a cat. I just got a cat. I have a dog as well. I have an outdoor cat. If you have one, say hi. I comment. I reply to every single comment. And before I do, there's, I have an ebook. It's an ebook entirely on how to draw cute stuff. It is free in the description. That ebook basically goes over the proportion of drawing something cute. It's kind of something people were requesting for like months and months and months. So I decided to just put it in there. It is free currently. Like I said, maybe I'll make it a product later on, like and charge for it later on, but for now it's totally free. Like it's about 10 pages, and that's pretty much it. You can get that right there on that link in the, I think the first link on the description I'm gonna make it. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and I will see you soon.